Hello, moin moin ladies and gentlemen, Donspektor here with another Donboxing. And I have for you today the Rose Technicics Ceramics X. Yes, thank you again Rose Technicics very much for sending this over for review. And yeah, this is just the unboxing. And we will see what you actually get when you order the Ceramics X. And yeah, also how this actually is looking like. That's the box. I would say standard TWS affair here. There is some information here, including like LDEC. And on the back we have some more information. Carbon-based ceramic diaphragm, for instance, 45 milliseconds of latency. Wind noise dampening, I will definitely try that out. And then also IPX5 water resistance, which is pretty nifty. And then let's open the foil here and let's see how this is looking on the inside. Foil. Please check the package before tearing this off. It looks fine to me, so I think we can tearing this off here. Okay, that is nice to open so far. Let's then fold it open and pull the actual TWS out. Oh, we have these. Yeah, I didn't use this now, but I could have used the strap. So also something that you can pull it out. And let's first check what accessories we get before we take a look at the actual TWS. We have warranty, quality certificate, USB-C cable, relatively short, and here the included silicone tips. Let me quickly remove one so we can take a closer look at the silicone tip. What you get here, I will removing S. There's the silicone tip, and you can see it has like a ring around the outlet. It is a bit more shallow U-shape, I would say. Silicone is on the medium thicker side here, as you can see. It still feels squishy thereby, and it definitely is pretty short tip here. Let me just get another tip in here so you see what I mean. Random mass silicone tip to the left. Yeah, it's at least like 3 millimeters longer, and here the one that comes with the Ceramics X. And now let's take a look at the TWS itself. First, it comes in additional foil to already prevent scratches. And that's the casing, and I'm not sure if this is well visible in the camera. This is like a bit iridescent in terms of how this is perceived in real life. It's not just white. And this doesn't weigh as much as I expected. The i3 I got the last time weighed a bit more, but this seems to be a bit smaller. I don't have the i3 here at the moment on my desk, so yeah. And when we open it, and then I greeted with the TWS themselves. And yes, you can see also here it has an LED that indicates charging. And you have an actual strip here so you can remove it. This is the charging contacts. So it doesn't stay 100% charged the entire time it is in the case while it's shipped. That's nifty. That should be good for the battery. And shape-wise, this is a bit ball shape, I want to say. Reminding me of, for instance, what Sennheiser is doing with their TWS. And let me quickly remove the tip. And then we check out the TWS by itself. So you can see the nozzle actually is see-through, and it is not the longest nozzle. I assume this might be like 3 millimeters. Where's my measuring moment? Let me quickly get that in. Let's quickly check how long the nozzle is. Nozzle, yeah, 3.6 millimeter, but you get like, I would say, let's quickly measure that. It looks like 2 millimeters or so more through the insertion here, a tiny bit more. Yeah, 2.6 millimeters. So overall you have, yeah, like 6-ish millimeter of insertion depth here. And yeah, you can see there's also a protective grill on the front. This looks like it's fabric. And yeah, then on the back here, the charging contacts that are still glued, an L and R indicator that is not color coded, so that will probably be tricky to see which side you have. Yeah, there's also no color coding on this one. And let's quickly take a look at the seam around. That is fine. It's not the greatest seam in existence here. You can see it's a bit unevenly distributed around, and you can also feel it with the fingernail, but it's totally fine. And then on the top here, the ceramics printing, and here the microphone hole. And I assume this might also be a microphone hole, while this here looks more like a pressure hole to me. Weight-wise, this is on the lighter medium side. Let me quickly get another IM just to compare sizing weight here. I mean, this is definitely metal that you notice, but it should be fine overall. In terms of weight, I mean. Okay, let me remove the other side, so we can also check that out. You're pretty much the same, no color coding, L&R indicator a bit hidden. And let's quickly try out how easily these flop into when we just insert them. Okay, the center of gravity is a bit outwards like that, so if you just flop it in like this. Oh, and it also magnets here. Well, okay, but that's fine so far. It could be a bit better solved, I think. Okay, we need a bit of clearance here for the tip, I see. Okay. I'm not in love with the carrying case at the moment, or the charging case. And here, oh yeah. Last but not least, the pairing button that I oversaw before. Okay, that's it, the quick unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, if you have recommendations, if you have criticisms, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.